Rapper Badshah's new music video titled Bad Boy X Bad Girl featuring actress Mrunal Thakur has finally been released on Sony Music. This is the first time Badshah has collaborated with Mrunal. The song has catchy beats and shows Mrunal flaunting her sexy dance moves. The song has been written and composed by Badshah and crooned by Nikita Gandhi and Badshah. Badshah said, Bad Boy X Bad Girl is a groovy, playful tease that makes you want to let your guards down, break those boundaries and have some fun. All of us have an unexplored wild side, and sometimes it's great to leave all your worries behind and enjoy the moment. The rapper, whose real name is Aditya Pratik Singh Sisodia, said that he had a fantastic time shooting the music video with Mrunal, who looks great in the number. Sharing her experience of collaborating with Badshah for the song, Mrunal added, The moment Badshah made me hear Bad Boy X Bad Girl, I knew I wanted to do this. It's such a catchy number and very different from anything that I have done before. My look in the song and my performance is a surprise for my fans and I hope they like it. Nikita is a playback singer who has worked on popular films including Lakshmi, the title track of Rabta, and songs from Jagga Jasoos, Jab Harry Met Sejal, amongst many others. She is excited about her first non-film collaboration with Badshah. Nikita added, It was a great fit. I sent Badshah the first recording that I did at my home studio. Then we met and jammed together and recorded some parts again. And here we are. The song is a sassy dance number right in time for the festive season. The music video looks amazing and I can't wait for the audiences to hear it. On the acting front, Mrunal will next be seen in Jersey alongside Shahid Kapoor. Jersey is a sports drama, is a Hindi remake of a Telugu hit of the same name. The Hindi version is directed by Gautam Tinori, who had also helmed the 2019 original. The story is about a talented but failed cricketer named Arjun who decides to make a comeback in his late 30s and play for India in order to fulfill his son's wish. The film has been shot in Uttarakhand and Chandigarh. The film also stars Shahid Kapoor's father, Pankaj Kapoor. Besides Jersey, Mrunal will next be seen in Pippa alongside Priyanshu Penuli and Ishant Khattar. The film title highlights the Russian war tank PT-76, popularly known as Pippa. The film is directed by Rajakrishna Menon and co-produced by Ronnie Screwvala and Siddharth Roy Kapoor.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.